Okay, so I'm going to do this roof inspection video to debunk what Aardvark has said in absolute, how do I say it, every way. So first and foremost, let's talk about rafter span. Okay, beam span on this is 32 inches on center, which is actually maxed out more than your standard 2 foot on center, which will obviously give you these waves and will come off as maybe the sheathing is delaminated. It's not. What it is that the span is further than what would be code today. Back then that was not considered an issue. I'm gonna guess that this roof sheathing that was put on was 1/2 inch 5-ply, because this is not original sheathing. This roof originally was a tar and gravel roof, like over there. So what they did for when they put the dimensional roofing on, they built up the roof with new sheathing. See, tar and gravel over there. The reason why it was originally a tar and gravel roof is because of the scup drains that I've noted in the previous report. So I am walking on it, and you can see me walking on it on everything that Aardvark has said is moisture damage. I am walking on it. What they're considering to be moisture damage is the particle board, which is not moisture damage. It just has that reveal versus different than the newly added soffit roof sheathing at the end. It's not really soffit, it's actually just sheathing. So there's 2 different grades of sheathing. So I am walking. I am smacking my foot in all the areas that they say is, of course you gotta clean your downspouts. Last time I didn't catch that, so, alright. I am walking and stomping on everything that they're saying is damaged. The problem is there's a new roof on top of what they say. So, because originally it was a tar and gravel roof. So originally the fascia boards, which I'll show you over here, which this area right here is got moisture damage, it does. But originally the fascia board was higher than the sheathing itself to allow water to get to the scup drains. This is the original tar and gravel roof. It's what it originally had before they put new sheathing on it and built it up. See what I'm saying? So let's go down below. So the new added sheathing does span further than the soft that you see underneath. So the $10,000 of repairs we're talking about is not even at the roof. It's just it really actually is aesthetic. It's nothing structural. That's the thing. So I'm going to show you some measurements that show why I'm correct and why Aardvark is wrong. Okay. First and foremost, they're not licensed for roof inspections anyway, so I don't know what they're doing on the roof. They're licensed for pest removal, repair, and fungus damage. Well, I don't see any of that, and I'm a general contractor, and I'm licensed for roof inspections. So, first and foremost, fascia board to the top of the sheathing with the galvanized flashing is 9 3/4, about that. So, okay, so originally this would have been probably where the sheathing originally was when it was a tar and gravel roof. So now, let's go underneath. I'm gonna switch ladders. We're here. Now, see that? I'm measuring the particle board to the beam right now, which is about 1/2 inch less difference, but that's 5.5. That's 4 inches difference. Point is that they've built up a roof above this. See? This is not structural. Not structural. And it also doesn't have moisture damage. The reason why you'll see it dip in between is, one, it's a different grade of material than the sheathing that was added after. This span is 32 inches. If it was 2 foot on center, you wouldn't have the female lip being pulled apart from the male lip. So now I'm going to grab my moisture meter. So there is a scup drain. Like I said, originally this roof was a tar and gravel roof based on where the scup drains were. So this is going to answer their $10,000 in moisture damage. Okay, so let's just do this. Here's a moisture meter I'm going to use. Let's just go to, we'll go to this one. Okay. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, 1 second. Okay, so, see that? Different kind of wood. My moisture meter is just not working right now. That sucks. Oh, it's on the, no, sorry, it is working. It was just on the wrong setting. So, wow, I just did it. I used it like 5 seconds ago. It's hilarious. So, anyways, okay. My point is, this is not rotted. It's a different material than this. A different type of material. It's like a particle board. Okay, and then the sheathing is sitting on top of that. That's new plywood. It's sitting above that. See, this used to be the original roof right here. Okay, when it was a scup drain tar and gravel roof. I got photos on the report that shows the moisture readings, so it does work. I mean, it was at 8% on the particle board. Again, see, that is from that right there. This is cosmetic. There is a new roof above this. I walked the roof for you. I showed you the video. It is structurally sound. So again, it has to do with the 32-inch on center span. Again, see? And you're going from a different particle board to even right here. You can see there's a disconnected male lip on the actual sheathing. Actually, I do wonder if this added sheathing anyway even ever had a male lip, or if it was cut off. That is why you'll see these dips. So that is a female. Actually, that's not tongue and groove. But the point is, you're going to see those dips because of the material, and it's not because it's rotted. It's because the span, it's not wood. It's like a particle board. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it was TNG. It's not TNG. Okay, so tongue and groove is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's keep going here. Here you go. Here's the scup drain again. That is moist. That is damaged here. The fascia, I've mentioned in the report, that does need to get replaced. Again, like I said, different material. You're going from the wood soffit from the original particle, kind of like a particle board before. In fact, I'm wondering if it was a particle membrane kind of board. Not a membrane, but some kind of water barrier for a tar and gravel roof. So, anyways, that explains to you why there's not $10,000 in problems. Thank you.